Oh my God, she did not come on here looking a hot mess like this. Yes, I did. Welcome. Yeah. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare hacks, skincare product reviews, and just how to glow the heck up in general, as well as Kojic acid soap, how to grow longer 4C hair. So let's get into it. Quite honestly, I was like, I want to tell them, I want to give you all the tea. I want you to sip what it is that I'm pouring for you today. So I said, you know what? I really don't feel like playing up nothing and coming out here and doing all of this just to come give them the message. So I had on my sea moss face mask, and I will continue to have it on for a while after the video. And I said, please, I hope they take me as I am. So here I am, and for anyone who may be offended, I do apologize. I don't really know what to tell you. There may be some that say, oh, this is not at all feminine energy. Today I'm humble abode. I'm chilling. Not quite chilling, but I am chilling at my humble abode. It is what it is. If it's not feminine energy, I don't really know what to do. Energy, schmenergy. My maca gives me beer energy. A lot of energy. I'm here, I'm focused, man. And with that being said, no, I don't know about all these things. I just am me, right? And I'm here with my pooms. That's all I can do. Tell you all what it is that I have been doing and using on my face. So let go. I have previously spoken about Dr. Bronner's. It is a fantastic line. And I said that the peppermint wash was a little bit too harsh for my face. I actually want to say that I believe I was using it incorrectly. And although I have spoken before about ways to not make it bun up your face, I want to elaborate and explain that I have been using it again, but I have been using it more sparingly and in a different way. So let's get into it. My cycle is in literally 7 days. My period is in 7 days. And what usually happens around that time, within the last months or so, I get acne around here, sometimes here. But I see one pimple, that one that comes underneath the skin, trying to do a little something. And I said, no, not today, Satan, not today. I have the sea moss on my face, and I also have, which I've spoken of before, Confident Beauty's Repairing Resurfacing Face Mask. And I just put it on 2 blemishes and this pimple that's trying to come up here because I don't have the time for it. I've already mentioned before, I have stopped washing my face as often and as long. When I'm not wearing makeup, I don't use a bunch of the Bronner's, and I make sure that it is properly diluted. When I wear makeup, then I do use more of the soap, but you just have to make sure that you're putting enough water in it to where it is not going to damage your skin. What happens is, and you probably can relate, wash my face, wash my face, wash my face, and then I see some white patches / areas. It seems as though the pimples have gone down, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, well, I'm just gonna put some moisturizer there. But you don't want to dry out your skin to the point that you can see that white area like that, because what it will do is create more dryness, create more irritation, and the pimples that you think are going away will come back, and sometimes come back even stronger, like bam, you're not getting rid of me just yet. To avoid these things from happening, I highly recommend do not go in too much with the peppermint Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, but use it sparingly. When you use too much, it may also remove too much oil. It'll cause even more dryness. But I have been using it again. The key is I don't use it every day. Still alternate between other washes, because this skincare thing is a journey. I want to ensure that I am not damaging my skin in the long run. We're all out here trying to do what? Glow the heck up. I'm very cautious about how I use it. I'm gonna be doing a part 2 to this. Go into detail. I'm probably even showing you the routine and what other things I use. We're gonna get into that, but I just wanted to say Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Soap is not canceled for use on my face. I was just using it incorrectly. And I believe that now that I'm using it more sparingly and using it with other products, which I have talked about before, it does actually help. You just wanna make sure that you are not drying out your skin. And that is another reason that I don't wear makeup all the time. You have to make sure that you properly wash that off. Make sure that you are properly washing and rinsing it off. And you can go in with a washcloth or loofah face cloth to make sure that you are doing so as well. But either way, make sure that you do that. Don't go to bed or anything like that with a bunch of makeup on. I still think that it is a great product, and not only the peppermint wash, but all of the products, period. That peppermint wash is still in the game. If you feel so inclined, please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. The sea moss, I feel, is working wonders because I feel that it's not only changing the breakouts that may come, but also the texture of my skin is improving. And it's normal to have a little texture, especially as you get older. So please don't look at yourselves and be like, oh, I'm doomed for life, my skin, I'm a failure. No, don't feel that way. You know, you're perfectly flawed. Okay, so we out here. Again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I'll most definitely be back with more very soon. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll holla.